Hello everybody, my name is Miss Fakira, and in this video I'm going to briefly explain topic 4 and the activity that you will be completing on this page. So once you've completed the other topics on this wiki, so topics 1, 2 and 3, you will move on to topic 4, which is Nettiquette. And once you've completed all of the activities on this wiki, including topic 4, your work will become part of the class blog, where your teachers, peers, parents and relatives can see so that you can demonstrate your understanding of safe, responsible and ethical internet use in an online environment. So all of your creations will be on the blog, so this includes your quiz, poster, comic strip and digital story. In topic 4, which is Nettiquette, which we're talking about here, students will become familiar with the term Nettiquette and its importance in the online world and why we must apply the same standards and values online as we are used to applying in the rest of our lives. Students will do this by a class and peer discussion, which you can see here, and also by analysing an online resource or online resources such as images and videos, as well as later on conducting their own research online. So the first 2 days, students will be discovering, researching and learning about the topic Nettiquette, and on the final day, which is day 3 down here, all the way down here, students will demonstrate their learning by creating a digital story on Powtoon. So they can share this digital story with all of their peers, and you can see an example of a digital story that I've made down here at the bottom of the page. So there is a link down here, this one here, where you can create a free Powtoon account, and by creating this video about what the students have learned, they are learning and cementing the content of Nettiquette, as well as sharing their information with others in a digital setting. This digital story will only be about 1 to 2 minutes long, so they can be easily shared and are a very compact summary of what they have taken out from the topic. So the good thing about a digital story is that it's taking something that they are familiar with and making it more fun and interactive. So they're familiar with stories and they would have been read stories as younger children, but now they're being able to apply it to a more modern thing that they're used to and getting used to and learning how to be a good digital citizen. So this relates to the curriculum elaboration, which is all the way back up the top here, and applying the same values and standards as we do in our everyday lives, so that students expect to keep this concept in their mind when they are creating their digital story. And at the end of the activity, the goal is that students have achieved this and followed the curriculum elaboration, and also ultimately that they work safely, responsibly and ethically in an online environment. And as I mentioned before, all students will email me or their teacher the link so that we can put it onto the blog where others can see their wonderful creation.